How to turn your Reddit account private. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Reddit does not offer a feature to make individual user accounts completely private. However, you can enhance your privacy by adjusting certain settings and adopting specific practices. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the online status option you see there, and with this your online status will be disabled. Next, tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen. Now, under the account settings tab, you will see your username. Tap on your username and scroll down, and under the safety tab, go ahead and toggle off the allow people to follow you toggle button, and with this no one will be able to follow you. Next, tap on the chat and messaging permissions and further select nobody option from chat requests and direct messages, and this is how you can turn your Reddit account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.